you just watched lines that wiggle. So let's practice drawing lines that wiggle. You're going to have a paper that looks like this. It says, I can draw lines that wiggle. And it says, trace, you draw it. Trace, you draw it. And so on. Up here's a spot for your name. I would like for you to take your favorite crayon or marker, either one. First, let's write our name. Now what I need for you to do is I want you to look at these lines, and it says trace beside each line. That means you're going to take your marker or crayon and you're going to go on top of the line that is there. So I'm using blue because blue is my favorite color. So I am tracing on top of this castle-like line with my blue. And you're going to do the same with your crayon or marker. You're going to trace. The next thing you need to do where it says you draw it is you do it. It's your turn. So you're going to copy the same kind of line, but you're drawing it by yourself. So take your time, look at how the line goes, which way does it move. This line moves up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, down. So now I have drawn it myself. So this is good practice so that you can learn how to draw each of these lines. There's a zigzag line, and a wavy line, and a loopy line, and a scalloped line, and then there are spiral lines. So you're going to take turns tracing it yourself, and then you're going to draw it yourself. So we're going to take a few minutes to do each one. So after you trace the zigzag, then it's your turn to draw the zigzag. And you keep going until you have traced each line and then you have tried to draw it yourself. Take your time and look at how the line is moving. As soon as you're finished, you are going to put this paper to the side, and your teacher is going to give you a blank piece of paper, and you need to get out a pencil for our next project. You're going to be watching a video, and I am going to be showing you how to do a portrait with crazy hair. So as soon as you're finished, put this paper to the side. Don't put it up, put it to the side, because we may use it when we draw the hair. It will give you some ideas for hair. So put it to the side when you're done and put up your marker or your crayon, and you need to get out a pencil because you're going to be drawing with pencil on the next project.